In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gemini Nano Banana Pro in Google Docs to create images without Watermark. We'll start right from the browser. Open Google and search for Google Docs. This is the quickest way to land on the official site, and it works the same whether you're on Chrome, Safari, or any modern browser. In the results, click the official Google Docs link. You'll know you're in the right place when you see the familiar Docs homepage with templates across the top. Once you're there, choose the blank document option. This opens a fresh page where we'll bring our image to life. At the top menu, click Insert. A list will drop down, and this is where the image tools live. Hover over Image, then choose Generate an Image. This opens the Gemini Nano Banana Pro panel, which is the built-in generator that can create high-quality visuals directly inside your document. Now, write your prompt. Think of your prompt like directions to an artist. Be clear and specific about the subject, setting, colors, and mood. For example, instead of a mountain, try a sunrise over snow-capped mountains with warm golden light and a misty valley. The more detail you provide, the more accurate the result tends to be. Before creating the image, set the size to square. Square is a great all-purpose format. It fits nicely in documents, slides, and social posts without awkward cropping. If you already know you want a square composition, choosing it now helps the model frame your subject correctly. You can also add a style if you want. Styles help guide the visual feel: photorealistic, watercolor, illustration, cinematic, or 3D, for example. Combine style with a vibe or medium to get closer to your vision, like cinematic, high-contrast lighting, or soft watercolor with pastel tones. If you're unsure, you can leave it as is and adjust later. When you're ready, click Create. Give it a moment to render. The image will appear right inside your document. You can click it and drag the corners to resize, and drag to position it exactly where you want on the page. If you want to refine the result, adjust your prompt or style in the panel, and create again until it matches your idea. And as you can see, the generated image appears without a watermark. That means your final output looks clean and professional right in Google Docs, ready for reports, proposals, or creative mock-ups. That's all there is to it. Search for Google Docs, open a blank document, go to Insert, choose Generate an Image, craft a clear prompt, set the size to square, pick a style if you like, and click Create. Try a few variations, and watch how quickly Gemini Nano Banana Pro delivers polished, watermark-free images.